Tryna come with the plan on a smooth day. I'm like, hey, I'm like, hey, check it, my nigga. It's one of them days I'm really up on my way. I'm really thinking how a nigga gon' get some damn hay. No bullshit, it's a cool shit. I'm sitting back as I'm really just trying to do this. Nigga, I had a wild dream. I woke up like, wow, I'm sitting back and I'm still looking in the clouds. I hold it down and I need some smoke and pound. Maybe this shit might calm a nigga down. I call my nigga Ink, nigga, what the fuck do you think? That nigga got some hoes, nigga, can't you peep? I just spoke through, nigga, I'm too, do what I have to do. Sitting back, nigga, sitting back, got the remain on my shoes. All shiggity swag, I got the juice. These niggas don't understand, this nigga is the truth. I'm so with the flow, these niggas don't even know how the nigga just go. I'm like, oh no, these niggas be like, damn, this nigga comes wild. Sitting back as I really holds down. I'm about to throw it up, let these niggas know I don't give a what. I don't give a what. A motherfucker got a bitch or a nigga. I'm trying to get my motherfucking figure, nigga, you figure, I'm bigger. I ride through the city, lay back in the cut, looking at the city light shining on me, bruh. Everywhere that I go, it's like I meet a new hoe. Trying to figure out which way to go, what do I do? And I know what I gotta do sometimes in my mind, but I be tripping cause I smoke too much of that good twine. I'm in my own zone, feeling like I gotta do, feeling like something going up, something going through it. I gotta stop tripping, this weed got me on a mission. I gotta stop flipping this money cause I'm starting itching and twitching. Trying to buy new things, I wanna shine for a minute, but I can't be seen. It's like a ghost, a shadow, a dark ass nigga. When you see me, you'll understand my lyrics.